Today, I'm going to show you this CarPlay upgrade module for Maserati. After installing this module, you can add CarPlay functions directly to the original car screen. There's no need to replace the factory display, and the original car system and controls can still be used normally. Once your phone is connected, CarPlay will appear directly on the original screen. The connection is quick, the interface is clear, and everything is easy to use. First, let's take a look at the music function. You can play music directly from your phone, check the song information, switch tracks, pause the music, or continue playing. All of these functions can be controlled through the original car screen, so you don't need to keep picking up your phone. Next is the navigation function. You can open the map, search for your destination, and follow the route directly on the car screen. The map is clear, and the route information is easy to see, which makes daily driving much more convenient. You can also activate Siri and make phone calls using voice control. Just tell Siri who you want to call, and the system will help you make the call. This is especially useful while driving because you can keep your hands on the steering wheel and focus more on the road. Another useful feature is that CarPlay works with many compatible apps on your phone. Besides music, navigation, and phone calls, you can also use different audio, podcast, messaging, and map apps through the CarPlay interface, depending on which apps are installed on your phone. This means you can continue using the apps you are already familiar with, instead of learning a completely new system.